Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of the Opportunity Spotted for the day. And before we dive in, if you're not subscribed yet, do it now. We drop one of these every single day. Real opportunities, real trades, real numbers, no noise, no hype, just the insights that actually matter. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss a single one. This channel is built for people who want to act, not just watch. Today, I'm not hiding anything. I'm showing you my secret trade, the one I actually believe in right now, and it's on QQQ. I'm buying a call option on QQQ, and I'm targeting $22,000 in profit on a single contract. That's the trade. Out in the open, no filter. Now let me show you exactly why I believe this is possible, and I promise you it's simpler than you think. This is pure A plus B equals C. You're going to see it, you're going to understand it immediately, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this trade makes sense for you too. Three things brought me here. The chart is beautiful, the levels are clean, and the math works. That's it. Let's go. Now let's go to TradingView and I'm going to show you exactly what I see on this chart. Pull up QQQ on the daily time frame. The first thing that hits you is how clean this structure is. QQQ has been respecting Fibonacci levels almost perfectly since 2023. And I'm not talking about one or two touches, I'm talking about every single major level acting exactly as it should. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, and the price follows the roadmap like clockwork. Look at what happened in early 2025. The market had a brutal correction. QQ dropped all the way down and found its floor exactly at the 0.618 Fibonacci level at $560. Not 558, not 563, exactly at 560. That's not luck, that's market respecting structure. And from that level, it bounced and never looked back. Now look at where we are today. QQQ is trading at $713. And right above us sits the Fibonacci 1.0 level at $723. This is the key level. This is the gate. Everything I'm about to show you hinges on what happens at 723. When a market respects Fibonacci this consistently and then approaches the 1.0 level with momentum, what happens next is almost always the same thing. It breaks through, and once it breaks through the 1.0, the next targets are the Fibonacci extensions. The 1.272 extension on QQQ sits around $850. The 1.618 extension sits around $950. And beyond that, the psychological level that everyone is watching, $1,000. Now look at the RSI at the bottom of the chart. It's sitting at 76. Yes, that's overbought territory. But here's what most people get wrong about RSI. On a strong trending asset like QQQ, overbought doesn't mean sell, it means momentum. The RSI has been floating with overbought levels for weeks, and the price just keeps pushing higher. That's a momentum market. You don't fade momentum markets, you ride them. So the picture is this. Fibonacci perfectly respected for 2 years. Price approaching the critical 1.0 level at 723. RSI confirming strong bullish momentum. A clear roadmap to $850, $950, and potentially $1,000 over the next 8 months. That's the A plus B equals C, I promised you. Now let's talk about how to trade it. Now let's go to Interactive Brokers and I'll show you exactly how to execute this trade. Open Interactive Brokers. Trader Workstation or the mobile app. Both work fine. Go to the search bar and type QQQ. Select Invesco QQ Trust from the dropdown. You're now on the QQQ page. Click on Options in the left panel. The option chain opens up. You see a row of expiration dates across the top. You're looking for January 15th, 2027. That's 240 days from today. Click on it. Now you're looking at the chain for January 2027. You'll see calls on the left and puts on the right. We want calls. Scroll to find the strikes between 700 and 725. Here's what you're looking at right now on the screen. The strike 725 bid is 53.89, ask is 57.15. This is the one I like the most. It's just above the current price of 713 and just above the critical Fibonacci level at 723. If QQQ breaks through 723 and the thesis plays out, this call is going to move fast. The strike 720 bid is 56.69, ask is 59.96, slightly cheaper strike, slightly more expensive premium. Almost at the money right now. The strike 700 bid is 68.62. Ask is 71.95. This one is in the money already. Less leverage but more protection. If QQQ takes time to move, my pick is the strike 725, expiring January 2027. Here's the math one more time so it's crystal clear. You pay $53.89 per share times 100 shares per contract. That's $5,389 total for one contract. That is your maximum loss. If QQ goes nowhere or falls, you lose $5,389. That's the worst case. Now the upside, if QQQ reaches $1,000 by January 2027, and I walked you through exactly why I think that's possible, this call is worth $275 per share times 100. That's $27,500. You pay $5,389. You make $22,111 on a single contract. That's the $22,000 target I mentioned at start. Even on a more conservative scenario, if QQ reaches just $850, this call is worth $125 per share, so $12,500. You still make over $7,000 on your $5,389 investment. That's a 2x even without hitting the big target. Now here's how you place the order. Right-click on the 725 strike in the calls column, select buy. The order ticket appears at the bottom of your screen. Set quantity to one contract to start. Never go bigger than you're comfortable losing entirely because options can go to zero. Set order type to limit. For your limit price, use the midpoint between bid and ask, so around $55.50. Never hit market on options. Always use a limit. Set the expiration to date. Double check everything. QQQ, Kapala, strike 725, January 15, 2027. Quantity 1, limit 55.50. Then hit submit. Confirmation pop-up appears. Click OK, you're in. You now own a QQ call option expiring January 2027 with a strike at $725. Now let's talk about managing this position. You don't need to check this every day. This is an 8-month trade. Set a price alert on QQQ at 2 levels. First alert at $723, that's the Fibonacci 1.0 breakout level. If QQ closes above 723 with conviction, the thesis is confirmed and you're on track. Second alert at $680. If QQQ drops below 680, reassess. The structure might be breaking down and you may want to cut the position early to preserve capital. If QQ runs to 850 in the next few months, don't be greedy. You can close half the position there, lock in your profits, and let the rest ride toward 1,000 for free. That's how you manage a winning options trade. So let me bring it all together. QQ at 713, Fibonacci respected perfectly for 2 years. Critical level at 723 about to be tested. RSI showing strong momentum, target $850 to $1,000 by January 2027. Trade buy the 725 call expiring January 2027 for around $5,400 per contract. Maximum loss $5,400. Target profit $22,000. Risk reward better than 4 to 1. Yes, I can lose on this. If QQ reverses and drops hard, this option goes to zero. That's the reality of options and I never pretend otherwise. But the structure is clean, the levels are respected, the momentum is there, and a 4 to 1 risk reward on a setup this clear is exactly the kind of opportunity this channel exists to find. This is not financial advice. This is my personal trade, my personal analysis, shared purely for educational purposes. You are responsible for your own decisions. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose entirely. If you found this useful, subscribe, hit the bell. Every single day we come back with a new opportunity just like this one. Real chart, real trade, real execution. See you tomorrow.